welcome back to my channel. Today we're ruining my life and my hair. We are going to bleach it and see how it goes. This could be a complete fail or it could be great, but I'm going to be using the Wella Blonder Multi-Blonde Bleach Powder and the Wella Perfect in 9% 30 volt. I don't know why I can't read today. It's 1 to 1.5, so we're just going to do that into this lovely mixing bowl. I have a brush and I have clips, and then the toner I've got is from Nila, and it is in vanilla. Nila in vanilla, and it's sort of like a beigey, slightly warm toned blonde, so hopefully this will look good. I have a bit of an interesting setup. I have a mirror here and a mirror there, my bleach, and ugly angles. I've got some sectioning clips, so I'm going to try and do this properly, and I'm going to use my wet brush just to detangle my hair. These bad boys are coming off. Oh my god, is this going to work? So yeah, try and get this henna out of my hair. Conveniently, I'm getting my hair cut on Saturday, so if I fuck it up, it will be okay. Probably should have done a strand test, but we're just gonna go in. Oh, no, for the best. So I think I've done an alright-ish job. It's not perfect, nowhere near perfect, but I'm gonna set a timer for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and put, well, 25 minutes, and then come back and make some more bleach and put it on the roots, I think. So see you in 25 minutes. I am legit covered. So rightly or wrongly, I decided to brush through it, but Jesus Christ, it is orange. I'm not going to do my roots. I'm going to wash this out in a couple of minutes when my timer goes off, and then go back over all the orange. And yeah, God, it's bad, isn't it? So first bleach, safe to say it's not the best at all. It is so orange. So we're going to do it again. Got a orange Sainsbury's bag on my head, and I thought I'd show you what I currently look like. I am literally head to toe covered in bleach completely. It is really bad. I am never going to be able to wear this top again, but it looks like it's developing. It's only been like a couple of minutes, so hopefully it goes yellow and then I can go back in and do my roots. But yeah, the back of my neck is burning. I've tied this up stylishly with a hairband. Great look. And I have successfully managed to destroy everything in my bathroom. My bath mat, ruined. Mirror, covered in bleach. Clothes, covered in bleach. All the things that I've just washed up, no longer covered in bleach, but my mirror was as well. And yeah, so far I have hope that it won't be a complete disaster, but you know, it can't get worse than what it was before, so we will see. It's only been on 20 minutes and I think doing a good job. It is looking blonde. I've still got some really orangey looking bits, but I'm gonna go in and do my roots and then possibly do another bleach touch up of all the orange bits. But I'm really pleased actually. It's looking pretty yellow. I'm just about to wash it out. It's looking pretty blonde. I think there's a couple of bits that are a bit stubborn, but the toner, mask, conditioner thing I've got is actually for dark blonde, so I'm hoping that it will all cover, it will look good, and I won't regret my life. I'm currently rocking a bra because I did the toner, it did nothing, so I got a semi-permanent dye, did my roots, left it on for 20 minutes, and I just popped it on the ends for 5 minutes, which is an iced Mocha colour, so hopefully it'll be a dark blonde, it'll look nice, and I wouldn't have ruined my hair, so fingers crossed. Hopefully it will turn out okay. I'm optimistic, but I don't want to get my hopes up. Hey guys, so I did it. I'm kind of blonde. I've got dark roots. I went through with the brush and did all my roots and left that on for 20 minutes, but I mean, I'm getting my hair cut, so all these like dry frizzy bits will be gone, but I'm really pleased with it. I think the colour came out well and it wasn't a complete disaster, so wouldn't recommend doing it, but it was good fun and I am really pleased because this is kind of my natural colour, so hopefully it will grow out quite nicely and I'll get highlights further down the line and it will look lovely. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you would give this a go, and I will see you next time.